Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use the multi-message prompts in a .prompt file with Node.js Gemini as well as Genkit. So let's get started. So first, as usual, I have created a simple folder called first. You can name it whatever you feel like. Then I have already cd into that folder as well inside my terminal. Then I can just do npm init-y, so it will create the package.json file for me. Next I need to install few dependencies, so I'll just come over here. I'll just come over here, and then we can just scroll down, we can just copy this and we can just paste it over here, so it will install the dependencies for us. Then you just click on this button, it will take you to this tab. Click on this create API key button. Here you can just select Gemini API, create API key in existing project. We'll copy this API key later on, but in the meantime I'll just copy this code, and here I'll just open this index.ts file and I'll paste it over here. Then I'll just close this, okay, and I'll remove all this code as well. We don't require all this code. We also don't require the model name. I'll just remove this, and here I just need to pass the API key. So API key, and I'll remove this. I'll hard code the API key over here itself. I'm not using a .env. I'll just copy this and I'll paste it over here. Now let's come over here, and we need to, for multi-message prompts, we need to first create a prompt file with this particular code, right? So I'll just create a folder called prompts, prompts, okay, and here I'll just name it as hello.prompt. I'll just do command s to save. Okay, then I'll just scroll down, and here I'll just copy this and I'll just paste it over here, Google AI/Gemini 2.5 flash. Okay, so here we are basically asking a user for a question. First, we are telling the system you are a helpful AI assistant that really loves to talk about food. Try to work food items into all of your conversation. So here I have a role of user, and here we are passing the user question. Okay, now again I have already wrote the code for this, so I'll just copy this code and then I'll explain it to you. I mean, it's not that difficult, so I'll just paste the code over here. Here instead of 7th I just need to write hello. I'll just copy this, and here also I'll just write it as hello. So here also I'll write it as hello. So I'll tell, like, now we have told the AI assistant to always talk about food, right? But I'll ask it about something else. You can ask directly about food, but just to confuse it, I'm just asking about, tell me about actress Lake Bell. Okay, and I'll just do npx tsx index.ts. okay, so now let's just wait, and hopefully it should give an answer. Like, you can ask it about proper food. So just to show it to you, I can ask it about, tell about pani puri only, I guess. Pani puri. Okay, I have not saved it yet, but here you can see, oh, Lake Bell, water deliciously, fantastic children. Okay, I think he has first. I think he completely forgot. He just gave me about actress Lake Bell. Okay, which is fine because it was a tricky question. I'm asking it to only talk about food, and then I'm asking it about some other actress. Now I'll ask about pani puri, which is kind of like a street food in India. So now let's just run this, and hopefully it should work. Okay, and here you can see this is the output for it. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. Bye.